Alrighty, so we learned about compound interest Friday. So let's take a look here. It says, as a child, Mikey received a birthday gift of $100. His parents put it into account gains 2.3 interest compounded daily. All right, so exponential function, we're going to use our compound interest. So starting or principal amount of $100, 1 plus the interest rate, which would be 0.023, over the rate, the n value, the number of times, which daily would be 365, and then to the 365 times x, and we could put in whatever year we wanted in there, which is then going to let us answer part B, which we're going to just go look this up for 15 years. So I'm going to go ahead and enter this in a calculator. So $100, 1 plus 0.023 divided by 365. Okay, to the 365x. All right, that looks good. So we'll go and we'll look up 15 years. Ooh, that's convenient. All right, so little Mikey, not making a ton of money here, but he's up to $141.20. So 15 years later. Yeah, not the greatest investment of all time. But anyway, he made 41 bucks. Didn't have to do anything, so that's cool. Now it does say how long till it triples. So this is kind of interesting to understand. How long would this have to stay in there for it to become $300 at this rate, compounded daily? Well, let's use some scrolling to figure it out. So I'm looking for 300 basically over here, and about 48 years. So you know what? Maybe let's say this was his second birthday. He got $100, puts it in there. When he turns 50, boom, he can take out $300. Pretty small scale. And that's the idea with interest. You need to understand and get a feel for, how much is this really doing? 2.3 is a really low interest rate. So the way to think about this is, for an investment, not great. For a loan, this is great. And what the difference there is, investment is you're putting money in, like Mikey here, and he's not getting a huge return on investment. But if you're borrowing money, and you can borrow money at 2.3% interest, that's really nice because it doesn't become huge over time. This is 41% more. 41% more money in 15 years. That's not too bad. So different ways you want to make sure you view things and understand things.